guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I just want to say a massive thank you once more for like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for the lovely comments what you left. It inspired me to work really hard. And today I am going to share another recipe with you. And this recipe what I'm going to share is mango, apple, passion fruit, pears, orange, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey for taste, and I'm about to start. I'm just giving my apple a quick wash. And straight into my blender. My mango a quick wash. Passion fruit. Yes. And I'm using 2 apples. I've already put one in my blender and I'm just washing this next one. I'm going to cut it up in small pieces and I'm going to put it straight in my blender. And I'm just going to give my orange a wash. Cut it in 2 halves. I'm going to squeeze it straight into my blender. Wow, this orange has got a lot of juice, lots of vitamin C, and the apple has got vitamin C. All these fruits got vitamins. So this is what our body need to stay healthy and looking good. I live a very busy lifestyle. So I have to drink a glass of this juice daily to keep me going. When I drink this juice, it gives me a lot of energy. Never seems to feel tired, and I'm always on the go. So that's why I'm here sharing my recipe with you guys, because I want you guys to feel healthy, look healthy, and looking good, and live a healthy lifestyle. And always remember, guys, not to put a lot of water on your fruits, because we do not want to kill the flavor of the fruits. When you're drinking this juice, you should taste all the fruits in your mouth, because when I finish, I'm going to blend all the fruits. So all the fruits is going to combine together and it will give you a lovely taste. So I am just going to add a tablespoon of honey to my fruits. 1 tablespoon. That is all you need, just 1 tablespoon. The reason why you only need 1 tablespoon is because the fruit is already sweet. So this honey is just to give it a finishing touch. and then you're good to go. I'm gonna switch my blender on from the main, and then I'm gonna turn it on and start blending. You don't have to blend it for too long because my blender is a very powerful blender, so you do not have to blend it for too long. So I am actually going to stop my blender now. So as you can see, all my fruits are blended and it's looking really, really good. So I'm about to strain my juice. So let's strain in. Just switching it off from the main. Remove it. Remove the lid. Hold it. Wow, look at that. It is looking really, really good. All my fruits is blend nicely. It's all combined together. And I'm just going to strain it now and then have a taste. And then I'll tell you what I think about my juice. So... So let's strain in. Wow, all the fruits are blended nicely. And it's coming out of the strainer nicely. And it's looking really good. Can't wait to have a taste of it. And then I'll tell you guys what I think about my juice. It is very important that we take care of our body and live a healthy lifestyle. And I'm happy to know that I can share my recipe with you guys so that you can live a healthy lifestyle just like what I am living. Before I started making this juice, I used to be really, really tired. I used to complain about being tired. But since I started making this juice, oh, I don't feel tired anymore. I'm so full of energy. Really full of energy. This is what our body needs. I'm going to strain my juice for one more time, just to make sure all the bits are out. Because when I'm drinking my juice, I want to make sure that I'm enjoying it and there's no bits left in it. I really enjoy making these juice, and I hope you guys enjoy making your juice also. Just gonna give my juice a quick stir to blend, make sure all the ingredients are combined together. Wow, that is looking amazing. I'm just gonna pour some of my juice over ice, and then I'm gonna have a taste and tell you guys what I think about my juice. And you can pour it over ice, like I said in all my videos, or you can leave it in your fridge to chill. The choice is yours. So I'm just gonna have a little taste, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about my juice. Wow, it's all looking good, and I'm gonna have a taste, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Wow. This juice is really, really delicious. Wow. I can taste all the fruits, what I've used to make this juice. All the fruits are combined, and it is tasting really, really delicious. And I'm enjoying every bit of it. Wow. If you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice. And I'm out. Bye.